Get protocol plus hostname from URL. In my Django app, I need to get the hostname from the referrer and request.meta.getHTTP_referrer, along with its protocol so that from URLs like https://docs.google.com/spreadsheet/ccc key equals blah 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 #get equals 1. https://stackoverflow.com/questions/1234567/ blah 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 http://www.example.com https://www.otherdomain.breaktime equals 1/ v1 equals 0 and v2 equals blah plus blah. I should get https://docs.google.com/http://stackoverflow.com/http://www.example.com https://www.otherdomain.example/. I looked over other related questions and found about URL parse, but that didn't do the trick since
you should be able to do it with URL parse, docs, Python 2, Python 3.
This URL. This is a more verbose version of URL parse. It detects domains and subdomains for you. From their documentation. Extract result is an image tuple, so it's simple to access the parts you want.
Python 3 using URL split.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.